Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, Puta?
Fine, sir.
What will you say now?
I am Priya Hiremat from Shamra coaching class, Vijaypur.
Okay.
Now I am telling the modern periodic table of elements from 1 to 118.
Oh, start.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, francium, mendelevium, nobelium, lavernicium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, darmstadtium, roentgenium, copernicium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine organism.
Very nice. Very good, Puta.
Thank you, sir.